For the Grosgrain interior waistband, we're making the pretend back of a dress. You'll need a piece of Grosgrain 11 inches long, pattern piece with the dart stitched and pressed open, and a piece that is the skirt, which has got 2 inches of seam allowance at center back and 2 rows of gathering along the top. Gather the skirt onto the bodice. Press the seam allowance flat first and then up into the bodice. Pin the grosgrain to the seam allowance at the waist. Start at the raw edge and work towards center back. When you get to center back, make the grosgrain extend 1 inch beyond the center back line and fold the extra so that it will be tucked between the grosgrain and the seam allowance. 1 inch from center back, give yourself a cross pin. You'll stop stitching here. Stitch the grosgrain to the seam allowance only so that the edge of the grosgrain is sitting right on the stitching line. At the center back, from the area where the ribbon is not stitched, 2-stitch and zig to clean the seam allowances. Underneath the ribbon, grade and pink. So if this were a real garment, you could connect the grosgrain on one side to the grosgrain on the other and anchor it before you close the center back.